You know you're in a special place when the road ends and 1,500 years of history begin. Today, my motorcycle brought me to southern Serbia, just outside the small town of Labani, where the silent ruins of Caricin Grad, better known as Justiniana Prima, are slowly being reclaimed by nature. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. In this series, we'll take you across Serbia, exploring its breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, rich history, and the roads that make every ride unforgettable. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts that come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving. Now, don't let these peaceful stones fool you. 15 centuries ago, this wasn't some forgotten village. This was one of the most ambitious cities in the Byzantine Empire. And here's the crazy part. This entire city was built almost from scratch around the year 535 AD by Emperor Justinian I, one of the greatest rulers in history. The same emperor who built the legendary Hagia Sophia in Constantinople decided to create a brand new city here, near the land where he was born. Think of it as the world's most expensive hometown gift. Most people build a statue in their hometown. Justinian built an entire city. The city wasn't just beautiful, it was incredibly modern. It had wide stone streets, an aqueduct, bringing fresh water from kilometers away, public baths, massive churches, marketplaces, elegant squares, and even an advanced underground sewage system. That's right. While much of Europe was struggling through the early Middle Ages, people here already understood city planning better than some places today, no offense. But we've all seen parking lots designed by complete amateurs. Walking through these ruins, it's hard to imagine that thousands of people once lived, worked, prayed, traded, and argued. Exactly where I'm standing, but here's where the story takes a dramatic turn. Justinian dreamed of creating the perfect imperial city. Unfortunately, history had other plans. Less than 80 years after it was built, waves of Avar and Slavic invasions swept across the Balkans. Around the year 615, the city was abandoned. Imagine spending millions building your dream house, only to leave it before your mortgage even starts. For over 1,000 years, nature quietly covered everything. The city simply disappeared. Locals began calling these mysterious ruins Caricin Grad, meaning the Empress's town. Nobody really knew who had built it. Legends grew with every generation. Some believed an empress ruled here. Others claimed enormous treasures were buried beneath the stones. And of course, every old ruin in the Balkans eventually gets a story about hidden gold. Spoiler alert, archaeologists found something far more valuable than treasure. They uncovered one of the best preserved examples of an early Byzantine city anywhere in Europe. Excavations that began in 1912 are still revealing new discoveries today, including churches with beautiful mosaics, monumental buildings, city walls, towers, and even traces of the original aqueduct. Modern technologies like LiDAR and ground-penetrating radar continue to uncover hidden structures beneath the earth. One fascinating mystery still remains. Most historians believe Caricin Grad is Justiniana Prima, the city described by the Byzantine historian Procopius. The evidence is incredibly strong, although historians still debate some details after all these centuries. Standing here today, surrounded by birds instead of soldiers, it's impossible not to wonder. What did this place look like when every street was alive? What conversations echoed through these churches? What dreams did its people have before history erased almost everything? That's the magic of riding a motorcycle. You don't just visit places, you arrive with questions and leave with stories. Caricin Grad isn't just another archaeological site. He's proof that even the greatest cities can vanish. But as long as someone keeps telling their story, they never eventually disappear. And now, it's time to fire up the engine and ride toward the next forgotten legend. I'll leave you for a moment to imagine what this city once looked like. Until we meet again in another episode, thank you so much for watching. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.